When we met last time, we talked about how to complete NCERTs. And we also said that it is important for us to interlink the static part with the current affairs part. Current affairs is that we are going to see today. Hello everyone, welcome to Career Launcher. Today we will see how to handle our current affairs. So in order to handle current affairs, I think that the best source is the newspaper. You will say why? When I have monthly magazine, when I have compilation, when I have to the point some small pointers in order to cover my current affairs part, why do I need to read newspaper? So let's talk about how to cover our newspaper daily. I think that reading newspaper is not a trouble for us, but the biggest question is which newspaper to read and how many newspapers do I need to cover so that I can qualify this examination. The answer to the second question is that you need to cover only one newspaper of your own choice. But the choice is very limited when you have to choose the newspaper, because we have to avoid any sort of political masala news. We have to do only those newspapers which can give us relative and important content for our main examination. For example, the Hindu newspaper or the Indian Express newspaper. But I would suggest we can go for the Hindu newspaper because many questions sometimes they directly appear from this paper. So let's try to work on the tested source instead of groping for other sources. Yes, if you want to read Indian Express as well, it is also fine. But let's try to zero down our research to the Hindu newspaper, which is there also in front of you. So whenever you open the newspaper or the first page, try to see what is the most important information for me today. Let's say, violence prompts poll panel to pull campaign plug in Bengal. It is not super significant, but Article 324, Election Commission, the complete mechanism is important for you. Model Code of Conduct. We are there going in the election year. So all those questions we can get in our main examination. Plus, if you see the information about monsoon, you know that monsoon in itself is a concept of geography. We need to know that. But how the amount of rainfall is going to affect the agrarian economy of the country is a part of current affairs. That's what you have to see. Moving down quickly, try to have a quick view when you are reading your newspaper. So do not struggle. At the very first level, do not try to learn and memorize the things when you're reading it. Just read it. Just take it lightly. Don't think in your mind, I'm having newspaper, I'm reading the Hindu, so oh my god, it's the toughest newspaper of the world. No, it's not. Just relax. And if you see that Indians eager to cut alcohol intake, the last information, you will see that it's not something that we can get some direct question about it, but we can use this information in essay. How will you write your essay when you don't have content? And how will you get the content? Through newspaper. But you will say, when I have monthly magazines, compilations, everything going on, why I need to read newspaper daily? It's so bulky, it's so time consuming. So guys, it's coming on daily basis. The information, the news is coming every day. So we are supposed to do newspaper on daily basis. And growth is organic. Rome was not built in a day. So we need to go with the organic growth. Yes, you can go for these monthly compilations for your revision. Not that you can 100% rely on that completely. And you know that the most dreaded pages of the Hindu newspapers are the editorial and the op-ed pages. I'm coming to the editorial and op-ed pages directly. एडिटोरियल पढ़ना है, मुझे एडिटोरियल नहीं आता, बहुत बोरिंग होता है, ये है वो है. So I'm on the page 8 editorial page. So please try to see these two things, that editorial is basically an article written by the editor of the newspaper itself. It is not that the complete page is an editorial page. Only these two are the editorials. Morphed Freedoms and Chasing Stability, they are the articles written by the editor of the newspaper. Whereas the other two articles, they are contributed by other intellectuals, like Why the Muslim Vote Matters in UP, All Out at Sea. Now, All Out at Sea is very significant for your international relations, because I can come up with this question and I can get the direct content in this question as well from this information. Moving on, the second page is the op-ed page. In op-ed page, again you have to see what is important, but this is an open page where you and I, if we get that acumen of expressing ourselves, we can contribute an article, right? So data point, and you can avoid the information which is not anyhow important or relevant with your paper. How will you understand that? Through your syllabus. Always carry your syllabus with you. It should be there in your mind. It should be there embedded deeply in your mind. Quickly, if this information comes in, you should know, okay, fine, it's a part of IR. So this is how you will cover your newspaper. And I don't know how people can claim that we can cover newspaper in 50 minutes, 60 minutes, 1 century. Every day's newspaper is different, it's unique, and it's a challenge in itself to cover it. Sometimes it will take only 10 minutes, sometimes it may take 1 hour, sometimes half an hour, depending upon the information and the content which is there in the newspaper. Your time will be consumed in note making. Ma'am, shall I make notes of it or not? Yes, but certain notes are simply cut and paste. You take a picture and you highlight it and keep it there with you and mark it as it is important for me for prelims, it is important me for mains. As you can see in this information which I have come up. So what you can do is highlight the important point and simply keep it there with your notebook. And also your notes have to be very neat and synchronized. Please do not make your own Mission Indradhanush red, pink, yellow, blue, all sort of pens you are using. Make your notes very clean so that once you are going for the revision part, it's very easy for you to memorize the facts. Thirdly, try to see from where I can get questions. For that, again, previous year questions. So there are some fundamentals for the preparation of UPSC which are never going to change. Syllabus, previous year questions, interlinking static part with the current affairs part. So all these 3-4 points are never going to change, right? Plus, your notes have to be very to the point, and when they will be to the point, it will be easy for you to remember and memorize. There is no need to learn your newspaper. हमें उसको रट्टा नहीं मारना है, हमें उसे सिर्फ पढ़ना है. And your editorial and op-ed part, the pages, these 2 pages, they cover the opinion. What do you think that how China is trying to overpower India through China-Pakistan economic corridor? From where will you get the content? Through the articles. And when you read, it also strengthens your writing ability. And your writing ability is going to be checked in your essay paper. So we cannot afford to miss ourselves at reading newspaper. Monthly compilations will give you only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. But what about the opinion? What about the ideas? What about the argumentative part of any news? All these things will be covered only in your newspaper, right? So guys, I hope that this was an interesting video, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update, and all the best for your preparation.
Career Launcher. Make your parents explode with joy.